Oh my god, I'm starting to sweat in here actually. That diesel heater I got right there, that is amazing. I can actually work in here and not be freaking cold. I'm actually gonna have to get out of my sweats here in a minute. Anyways, today's video. What we're gonna do is we have this wiper cowling here that we got from the junkyard. I was working on a video for that, but it just wasn't turning out how I wanted it to, and it's kind of boring, and so I'm scrapping that whole video. Forget about it. So anyways, I went to the junkyard yesterday, and I picked up this along with some other stuff for the junkyard truck. Got some stuff for the rear axle build when we do the 5-speed swap. I'm not going to make an official video on it, but after going through all the votes and stuff for the Gambler 500 rigs, we're going to be taking the junkyard truck. So there's stuff I want to do to the truck anyways, so initially I was kind of thinking maybe we can take the diesel truck because it's pretty much ready to go, other than a couple of minor things that need to be wrapped up on it. But my thing is, if we get into a situation where we need to kind of go fast on dirt roads, this junkyard truck is perfect for that because the suspension's so soft. It's pretty good with handling rough roads and going kind of fast. Not Baja 500 fast, but just, faster than you would want to go with a solid axle. Anyways, enough rambling. So what we're going to do, we're going to clean this up. I've got some sandpaper. I've got some sandpaper. I'm just going to kind of sand this down. I'm actually debating if we should just take some paint stripper and just coat this thing with paint stripper and just wire wheel it off that way. Okay, I gotta put the heat back on. It's gonna get noisy. We're gonna play generic YouTube music. Or copyrighted. Okay, tubes. It's a little bit later in the day. towards the evening times, about 6 o'clock. We gotta finish this video because I gotta get this out to you Sunday. I actually probably do it Friday. But it's freaking cold in my garage. Lucky me, I picked up some kerosene from a friend. Oh, it's unopened. Yes. Yeah, this thing is just about out. It's so light. Wow, 2.5 gallons, almost filled it. I'm gonna put some motor oil in there too. And then we'll get this garage heated up and we'll pull the truck halfway in and we're gonna start taking the old cowling off. And we'll get the new one. And paint job came out pretty good. I didn't get too technical with making it super perfect, like the surface. Just as long as it has a coat of paint on it, looks decent, good enough. It's the junk truck, it doesn't need to be perfect. Alrighty, tubes. The diesel heater, or turbo heater, has saved my bacon again. It's running on diesel, kerosene, and some used motor oil, so it doesn't stink too bad actually. So yeah, that's working out great. This has warmed the truck up actually. This is all warm right here. So most of the water's off of it, which is great, so I'm not getting completely drenched while I'm trying to mess around with this. So the big problem with these trucks is, first of all, this chrome trim around here has no sealing capabilities. So what I mean by that is there's nothing sealing in between the trim and the glass. So when you get pine needles and stuff and everything in here, it collects over the years and it holds moisture and your cab rots out around the windshield area. So what I did with the other truck, the other bullnose, the 82 with the Cummins in it, when I got a new windshield put in, I had handled the chrome trim on my own. I took it off before I took took it in for a new window. And what I did is when I put it back on, I took this stuff here. It needs to be kind of thin, so like this stuff here. I put that underneath the trim on the inside of it that goes against the glass, and that keeps debris from just getting in there. And I did it to the trim all the way around. I think on the top I might have put it on both sides. I can't remember. It's been a year or two since actually 2 years since I got the window replaced. So anyways, that's what we're going to do here. We're going to take the trim off. We're going to clean under here. We're going to put our new cowl in. And then when we put everything back on, we're going to clean the trim. Make sure there's no debris or anything underneath it. Wipe it down. We're going to stick this stuff on the inside of the trim that seals against the glass. I don't think I'm going to worry about the outside too much. It's the inside of the glass area that collects material. So we'll just seal that up, and then we shouldn't have any problems anymore with stuff getting down in there. So what I'm going to do to get that trim off, we need a plastic pry tool. One of these. These are actually pretty good. I got these from Harbor Freight. They work good and they save you from breaking panels and stuff and cracking glass. So we'll just pop them until they come off, and then yeah, I'm gonna do a little bit of not super high speed, but a little bit of a high speed, some music in there, because I'm gonna have my heater on, and I don't want you guys to hear the heater. It's pretty loud. So anyways, let's get to it. When you get the wipers off, I think the wipers are actually not on correctly. I think there's a left and a right. I'm not sure, but they're just not. They're not right. So we're gonna take care of that. So I'm gonna move you guys in the spot where you're out of my way and out of the way of the heater, so it doesn't melt the frickin' tripod. And we're just gonna get to getting. I might see how I can rig another light over here. So, yeah, that's a problem. home from the bar. Uh-oh. So, that's it for this video. Yeah, it's time to go. Excusez-moi. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. The next video is going to be the 5-speed swap. Yeah, we're doing it. Everything's on order. It's coming here. So, keep an eye out for that video. It'll be not this coming Sunday, but it'll be the one after that. Yeah, I can't wait. So, it's coming up. Yeah. Are you excited too, as much as I am?